Okay, so I'm making a quick video, hopefully with one hand. I've got a few discs here that I bought off eBay that have seen better days, like Baja 1000 on PS2, for example. So I've never done this before, but I do have a mechanical SkipDr, and we're gonna see if we can get some of these horrible scratches out. So this is like 97% water and like 3% alcohol. It's from SkipDr. It came with that buffer. So we're just gonna spray. Spray that like that, okay? And then what we're supposed to do now is take the disc and hard to do with one hand, but there we go. Put that in the locking position, and then you want to make sure the shiny disc side is where the buffer wheel is. So the label side faces away. So it goes in like this and down like that, okay? Has to go around twice. So all I gotta do now is press this button and the wheel will buff the disc. And in theory, we'll have a nice working disc. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. Kind of loud. Oh yes. You see the difference. It's powered by 6 AA batteries. So we want it to go around again. Must be getting down deep, I don't know. Okay, we'll call that done. So now we got swirlies all over the disc. So now what I have to do is dry the disc and buff it. So I've used 2 hands for that, so I don't have a tripod on me. So I'll cut to that. Okay, so I basically dried the disc off with the blue paper towel thing, and then I took the buffing square, and yeah, it's better than it was. So it should be able to, like, it was just absolutely annihilated a second ago. But now, yeah, if you angle it, you can still see there's still some scratches. It's never going to be 100% perfect, but now this will be able to read no problem in the PS2. So, yeah. It looks a lot worse on camera than it is in real life. It looks actually pretty clear in real life. But this is definitely now a working disc. So, yeah, I don't have a PS2 to try it on. But it should read just fine. Yeah, quick video, very quick, just like spontaneous spur of the moment. I just want to show you, I've never done the SkipDr, but it looks easy. If I wanted to, I could actually go through this again, and I may even do that. But yeah, this is night and day difference than how it was before. So there you go. All right, quick video. Yeah.